You became a nurse because you wanted to make a difference, and you are doing that with every single shift. At Upstate Medical University College of Nursing, we built a program for nurses like you, working nurses, busy nurses, nurses who are already doing the job and need a flexible program. Our RN to BSN Upstate Edge program is online and asynchronous. That means no mandatory login times, no commuting. You log in when it works for you. Full-time students can finish in as few as 4 semesters, and part-time students can take up to 9 semesters with added flexibility. You choose the pace that fits your life and your timeline. Every RN at Upstate is eligible. Upstate Edge program covers your tuition, fees, and books. We provide access to library resources, which are critical to a fully remote program. We provide academic and student life support, and we are proud of the student success team-based model. One thing we hear from students all the time is that they are nervous coming back to school. It has been a few years. They are not sure they could balance it. The curriculum is designed to build on what you already know. Your clinical experience isn't just a prerequisite, it's part of the learning. You bring your real-world practice into online learning. You are not starting over, you are moving forward. So let's talk about what this degree actually opens up for you, because this is the part that matters. Your bachelor's degree is the foundation for everything that comes next. Maybe you're ready to step into a charge nurse or clinical leadership role, because advanced degrees are known to impact and advance patient outcomes and ensure safe, quality, patient-centered care. Maybe you've thought about becoming a nurse educator, mentoring students, precepting new grads, or moving into academic teaching. The BSN is your entry point, and we offer a direct pathway into your master's program in nursing education. Or maybe graduate school and research is your ultimate goal, a master's degree or a doctorate degree. Our RN to BSN Upstate Edge program is specifically designed as a foundation for graduate study. Nursing is not a destination. It's a career that keeps evolving, and the nurses who thrive are the ones who keep growing. Your BSN is also about becoming more prepared to take care of the complex needs of our patients. Lastly, we are the only nursing college in this region that is part of an academic medical center. When you learn here, you learn in an environment where nursing's future is being shaped. Your associate's degree got you to the bedside. Your BSN will take you further. We invite you to start the conversation with us. So if you're an associate degree nurse ready to take the next step, we want to hear from you. Explore the Upstate Edge and connect with us. Your next chapter starts here.